Welcome to day 21 of our summer sketches. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw this super cute ruler using the letter L and the number 7. That's right, guys. We have an L7 ruler coming your way. Let's get started. I'm going to draw mine a little bit slanted here. So I'm going to start with a capital L. And then we're gonna draw a 7, boom, right there. So we're gonna connect these. This is gonna maybe be the most simple drawing we've done, but I am gonna draw with my pencil. I'm gonna give it some eyes because it's a cute ruler, obviously. A little smile, and then all we have to do, guys, is add the ruler lines. So on the ruler there's inch lines and centimeters, right? So we're going to just start with those longer lines, and then we'll do a couple short ones. And no, this is not to scale, guys, so no judging these ruler lines, okay? We're just drawing a cute ruler for fun. Teaching you guys something that you can draw when you're doodling, you know, when you're just sitting around wanting to draw something cute. You want to impress your friends, impress your kids. I know some of you are parents watching this learning how to draw, and that's awesome. I love it. So I'm gonna erase my pencil marks and give it a color. What color should we make our ruler? How about a pretty teal color? Oh, I love this color too. I'm loving these cute little school supplies. I feel like we should do a whole series on school supplies. What do you guys think? That would be fun. And I hope you have been joining along for the month of July. We're doing summer sketches every day, simple drawings that you can learn using numbers and letters. And there you have it. Look at this cute ruler. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for our next drawing.